Good morning and welcome to Circle Time. This week we're talking about the five senses, and today we're going to be talking about our sight. For morning warm-up, we're going to make firecrackers, and you guys are going to get to see all the beautiful colors. So what we have are some colorful scarves, and we're going to get down low. We're going to count it down and jump up and say blast off. Throw all the colors, and you guys are going to get to see our beautiful fireworks. All right, are we ready? Let's get down low. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Very good. Let's do it one more time. Let's collect all your scarves. We're going to count down from 5 this time. Ready? Friends at home, count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Oh, how pretty. All right, let's collect our scarves, and I'll put them over here. We're going to move back down to crisscross applesauce, hands in lap. Thank you, friends. Good morning. Do you guys remember what our letter is this week?
Yeah.
Very good, the D. And the large D is the uppercase, and the lower D is the smaller case. Very good. And what is the sound the letter D makes?
Da, da, da,
Da,
da,
da,
da,
da.
da,
Very
da,
good.
da, da,
All right. What's our month? May. Great job. We're going to clap that out 3 times. Friends at home, I want you to do this with us. Here we go.
da.
May, May, May. Very good. Next, let's get our counting fingers out. And if they're feeling sleepy, we're going to wake them and shake them. We're going to use our loud and proud voices, and we are going to count the calendar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Today is May, Wednesday, the 13th. And next is days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Saturday, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job, you guys. Today we're talking about our senses, and we're going to talk about our sense of sight. But let's go over the 5 senses really quick. So our first one is we use our eyes for what? Seeing. Very good. We use our nose for smelling. We use our mouth for tasting. That's number 3. Very good. We use our ears for hearing, and we use our hands for touching. Very good. And those are our 5 senses. So today we're talking about the sense of sight, and we are going to do a little song that's happy to see you because we use our eyes to see. So, I'm looking at you, and what do I see? Happy faces smiling back at me. And when I smile, you do too. Happy to see you, happy to see me. Doing what we like to do, happy to see you, happy to see me. I like you. Very good. So before we get to our story, and we've got a couple of activities we're going to do today, we're going to play a game called I Spy with My Little Eye. So Miss Meg is going to give you guys clues, and you guys are going to have to identify, using my clues, what I'm asking you to find. So we'll practice real quick. If Miss Meg says, I see something that is big and green and says ribbit, what might I be talking about? What might I be spying? Froggy. Frankie, our frog here. So I'm going to give you guys more clues. Instead of shouting out your answers, I want you to show me that you have the answer by raising your hand, and then I'm going to call on you. So friends at home, I want you to join along with us. All right, so let's use our ears to listen for our clues and our eyes to see them. I spy with my little eye something that is blue. It's in the shape of a circle, and it holds sweet treats that taste good. So friends at home, don't shout it out. I want you to raise your hand, and then I'm going to call on you. All right, friends at home, what do you think Miss Meg is spying? Very good. I was spying my cookie jar. All right, let's do another one. I spy with my little eye a birthday cake with candles on it. All right, remember, don't shout it out, friends at home. Raise your hand. All right, friends at home, what did you see? Very good. The happy birthday on my calendar. All right, we're going to do one more, and I'm going to have the friends here at Miss Meg's help me on this one. And friends at home, raise your hands too if you know. I spy with my little eye flowers and something that starts with the letter M. All right, Finn and Nora and Fiona, what do you think?
May!
May. Our thing up here of May. Very good. So we were using our eyes to help us identify what we were hearing with our ears. Very good. So we've got two more fun activities we're going to be doing with sight and some colors, and then we are going to make a craft at the end. So here I have is something that's called a, who knows?
Whale.
Not a wire, it's called
scale.
a scale. Very good. And when our scale is even, all right, when we start this, I need friends, everybody, to move back to crisscross applesauce, hands in lap. Thank you. And we're going to have our quiet voices on and our listening ears way up high. We are going to use our eyes to see when this is even and when this is not even, our scale. So there's a little arrow here and a big arrow on the scale. When it's even, they're lined up. When they're not even. So you guys are going to use your eyes and look really closely to see if my scale's even. So the first thing I'm going to add on this side is 10 links put together. So these are in a chain put together, and then I also have 10 links not put together. Which one do you think is going to weigh the most? My 10 links put together or my 10 links not put together? All right, we're going to use our eyes to see. So there's 10 links put together. There's 10 links not put together.
The same.
They're the same. And why is that, Nora? Do you know?
Since they're both 10, if they're connected, that doesn't make any more weight.
Very
and if
good.
they're apart, that still doesn't.
Very good. So they're both 10, so Nora can see with her eyes that it stayed even. Next, what do we predict if I add 10 more links on this side? What do you guys think is going to happen?
It'll be more.
Very good. Let's see. Let's use our eyes to see. What do we see?
Heavier.
This one's heavier. Now I'm going to add 10 more links that aren't put together on this side. What do we think is going to happen, friends at home?
Equal.
Very good. It's still just 10. So let's use our eyes to see, I'll slow it down, that it equals back out. Now, friends, I'm going to add 5 more links to this side. What do we think is going to happen?
That one's going to be the most.
Is this one going to be the most? Let's use our eyes to see. And it was. Very good. You guys using your eyes to help identify how we can balance our scale. All right, we're going to go back to crisscross applesauce, hands in lap. Oh, bless you. We're going to read a book called Seeing. Sense. We all have 5 senses. We use our senses every day. Seeing and touching are senses. Tasting, smelling, and hearing are also senses. How do you see? You use your eyes to see. And this is directly where our eyes is. Can you guys point to your eyes? Very good. Your eyes are in your head. Show me where your head is. Very good. Your eyes are round like balls. Your eyes have many parts. So this is showing us our eyelid, which is right here, our eyes, and our eyelashes. Your eyelashes help keep dirt out of your eyes. So we have those to help protect
Even
our eyes.
sweat.
And even sweat, yep. How can you see? Your eyes can see color. Your eyes can see shapes. Your eyes can see things that are near. Your eyes can see things that are far away. Your eyes can see big things, and your eyes can see small things. Protecting your eyes. Sunglasses can protect your eyes. Your eyelids can protect your eyes. Did you guys know where those are? Right here. And when you shut your eyes, that's your eyelid closing over your eyes. Helping people see. Some people wear glasses to help them see. Some people do not see at all. They use their other senses to help them.
And special tips.
We're going to name the parts of the eye. All right, so what was up here that when we close our eyes, it covers them? Our eyelid. What is the circle part in our head, we said?
So,
Our eyeballs. And what are the hairs that stick out that help protect them? The eyelashes. Very good. All right, so we're going to keep using our sense of sight to identify some colors. And this is something you guys can do at home. You can use a flashlight if you have a little lantern, magnetiles, or if you have some translucent paper that has different colors, this will work too. So first, when I turn on my flashlight and put it on my white, what do we see? Is it white?
yes.
So let's make a prediction. What do we think is going to happen when I put the red tile over my white light?
It's going to turn red.
Think it's going to turn red? All right, let's see. Oh, can you guys see that?
Pink.
It's a little pink or red. What do we think is going to happen to my light when I put the, what color is this?
Purple.
Blue, very good. The blue over our light. Then you think it's going to make purple? All
Yes.
right, let's see. Oh, I see blue. That's all right.
Like blue.
We tested your prediction. There we go. What do we think when I have green?
Green.
Should we make the light green? Very neat. We'll do two more. Let's just see what the orange looks like.
Red.
Yeah, a little bit.
Pink. It's pink.
And the yellow, what do we think?
Yellow.
Think it's going to show up yellow?
Maybe orange.
Oh, there we go. So, let's do something fun real fast. You know how when we have paint and we mix our own colors to make a new color? Let's take two of our magnetiles and make a new color.
How?
So what, well, let's see how. We're going to mix the colors and see if we can do, does anybody know what color you get when you mix green and yellow?
Orange.
Oh. What color do we think?
Orange.
Let's see. If I take my green and my yellow light,
Green. Like green.
oh, it's kind of like green. Oh! Can you guys see?
Turn it on.
Let's see if we can make another color. Let's mix, what should we do?
Yellow and red.
Our yellow and blue, what color
That
do you
makes
think we
green.
could get? Nor you think it's going to make green? Can you guys see? When we took the yellow and blue, it made green. Just the same as mixing our paint colors.
And that was my guess.
Very good. Very good guesses, you guys. I like all the
Can we
thinking
do
and the
all of
prediction.
colors?
So last, we are going to make our craft for the day.
But not blue.
Yep, and this is something you guys can make at home. All right, let's sit back up, crisscross applesauce.
A paper towel. Glue.
So at home, you can use one paper towel holder or two paper towel rolls. I'm just going to cut them in half, and we are going to make some binoculars. So when you guys go outside, you can use them, and I want you to play the I Spy game outside, and I want you to also look for some birds. And to help find the birds, you can use what other sense? Your hearing to hear the birds, and when you hear them, you can use your binoculars to look up and try to find them. You can use tape if you don't have glue, and also hot glue works really well for this if you have a parent to help you. So I've got my two tubes. I am going to take on each side a hole punch and just put a punch in there. There we go. One string of yarn so we can wear them around our neck. Let's put, oh, I gotta get my glue cap off first.
And it's hard.
I think it might have got glued on. There we go. All right, so good amount of glue just on one side so we can press them together. And you'll want to let that dry for a little bit. You can take paint, stickers, markers, anything. Decorate your binoculars however you would like. And then you're going to take your string, just going to put it in here, You're gonna tie a knot on each end, and then you guys are ready to go outside and explore with your binoculars. And you can also use all your other senses when you're outside to identify stuff. You can touch the sand, the grass, tell me how that feels. You can smell all the flowers blooming, right? All right, you guys are ready to go explore outside. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
Goodbye. Ready, go, Mom.